Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dalam berbagai situasi yang berbeda. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris kamu akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Baiklah, mari langsung saja kita mulai.
What is the most fundamental skill to learn? What is the most fundamental skill to learn?
Apa keterampilan paling mendasar yang harus dipelajari?
I think communication is very fundamental. I think communication is very fundamental.
Saya pikir komunikasi sangat mendasar.
Why is this skill so fundamental for us? Why is this skill so fundamental for us?
Mengapa keterampilan ini begitu mendasar bagi kita?
It helps us share ideas and connect well. It helps us share ideas and connect well.
Ini membantu kita berbagi ide dan terhubung dengan baik.
Is there a fundamental rule in this game? Is there a fundamental rule in this game?
Apakah ada aturan mendasar dalam permainan ini?
Yes, we must follow the basic rules first. Yes, we must follow the basic rules first.
Ya, kita harus mengikuti aturan dasar terlebih dahulu.
Can you explain the fundamental concept here? Can you explain the fundamental concept here?
Bisakah kamu menjelaskan konsep mendasar di sini?
The main idea is to keep things simple. The main idea is to keep things simple.
Ide utamanya adalah menjaga agar segala sesuatunya tetap sederhana.
Do you think fundamentals are easy to learn? Do you think fundamentals are easy to learn?
Apakah kamu pikir hal-hal mendasar itu mudah dipelajari?
Some are, but others need more practice. Some are, but others need more practice.
Beberapa iya, tapi yang lain butuh lebih banyak latihan.
Do you exercise regularly to stay healthy? Do you exercise regularly to stay healthy?
Apakah kamu berolahraga secara rutin untuk tetap sehat?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week. Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Ya, aku berolahraga 3 kali seminggu.
That's impressive. What kind of exercise? That's impressive. What kind of exercise?
Itu mengesankan. Olahraga seperti apa yang kamu lakukan?
I usually do jogging and simple workouts. I usually do jogging and simple workouts.
Aku biasanya jogging dan latihan sederhana.
How do you stay motivated to exercise? How do you stay motivated to exercise?
Bagaimana kamu tetap termotivasi untuk berolahraga?
I think about the benefits it brings. I think about the benefits it brings.
Aku memikirkan manfaat yang didapat dari olahraga.
I should start exercising more frequently too. I should start exercising more frequently too.
Aku harus mulai lebih sering berolahraga juga.
You should. It really improves your energy. You should. It really improves your energy.
Kamu harus. Itu benar-benar meningkatkan energimu.
All right, I'll try jogging this weekend. All right, I'll try jogging this weekend.
Baiklah, aku akan mencoba jogging akhir pekan ini.
That's great. let's go jogging together. That's great, let's go jogging together.
Itu bagus, mari kita jogging bersama.
What's the best way to learn English? What's the best way to learn English?
Apa cara terbaik untuk belajar bahasa Inggris?
I think practicing every day works best. I think practicing every day works best.
Saya rasa berlatih setiap hari adalah yang terbaik.
How do you practice every day? How do you practice every day?
Bagaimana kamu berlatih setiap hari?
I read books and listen to podcasts. I read books and listen to podcasts.
Saya membaca buku dan mendengarkan podcast.
Is that the way you started learning? Is that the way you started learning?
Apakah itu cara kamu mulai belajar?
Yes, it helped me improve quickly. Yes, it helped me improve quickly.
Ya, itu membantu saya berkembang dengan cepat.
I should try that method too. I should try that method too.
Saya harus coba cara itu juga.
Definitely, it will help you a lot. Definitely, it will help you a lot.
Pasti, itu akan sangat membantu kamu.
What's the hardest part of learning? What's the hardest part of learning?
Apa bagian yang paling sulit dalam belajar?
Sometimes, it's hard to stay consistent. Sometimes, it's hard to stay consistent.
Terkadang, sulit untuk tetap konsisten.
What time did you get up this morning? What time did you get up this morning?
Jam berapa kamu bangun pagi ini?
I got up at 6 a.m. to prepare for my day. I got up at 6 a.m. to prepare for my day.
Saya bangun jam 6 pagi untuk mempersiapkan hari saya.
That's early. How do you feel after getting up so early? That's early. How do you feel after getting up so early?
Itu pagi sekali. Bagaimana perasaanmu setelah bangun pagi sekali?
I feel energetic. It helps me start the day well. I feel energetic. It helps me start the day well.
Saya merasa berenergi, itu membantu saya memulai hari dengan baik.
Did you get everything ready for the meeting? Did you get everything ready for the meeting?
Apakah kamu sudah menyiapkan semuanya untuk rapat?
Yes, I got all the documents and materials. Yes, I got all the documents and materials.
Ya, saya sudah menyiapkan semua dokumen dan bahan.
How long did it take you to get everything ready? How long did it take you to get everything ready?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk menyiapkan semuanya?
It took me about an hour to get everything in place. It took me about an hour to get everything in place.
Itu memakan waktu sekitar 1 jam untuk menyiapkan semuanya.
I'm sure the meeting will go well, since you got everything done. I'm sure the meeting will go well, since you got everything done.
Saya yakin rapatnya akan berjalan lancar, karena kamu sudah menyiapkan semuanya.
I hope so. I did my best to prepare well. I hope so. I did my best to prepare well.
Saya berharap begitu. Saya sudah melakukan yang terbaik untuk mempersiapkannya.
I am having trouble with my internet connection. I am having trouble with my internet connection.
Saya mengalami masalah dengan koneksi internet saya.
That must be very frustrating for you. That must be very frustrating for you.
Itu pasti sangat membuat frustrasi untukmu.
Yes, I cannot even open my email right now. Yes, I cannot even open my email right now.
Ya, saya bahkan tidak bisa membuka email saya sekarang.
Have you tried restarting your router yet? Have you tried restarting your router yet?
Apakah kamu sudah mencoba memulai ulang routernya?
No, I have not tried that. Should I do it? No, I have not tried that. Should I do it?
Belum, saya belum mencobanya. Haruskah saya melakukannya?
Yes, sometimes it helps fix the connection. Yes, sometimes it helps fix the connection.
Ya, terkadang itu membantu memperbaiki koneksi.
Okay, I will try it right after this chat. Okay, I will try it right after this chat.
Oke, saya akan mencobanya setelah percakapan ini.
I hope your connection works well soon. I hope your connection works well soon.
Saya harap koneksi internetmu segera berfungsi dengan baik.
Thank you for your advice. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your advice. I really appreciate it.
Terima kasih atas sarannya, saya sangat menghargainya.
You are welcome. I am happy to help you out. You are welcome. I am happy to help you out.
Sama-sama, saya senang bisa membantu.
Sometimes I feel like just giving up. Sometimes I feel like just giving up.
Kadang saya merasa ingin menyerah saja.
Why do you feel like surrendering now? Why do you feel like surrendering now?
Kenapa kamu merasa ingin menyerah sekarang?
I am so tired of trying and failing again. I am so tired of trying and failing again.
Saya sangat lelah mencoba dan gagal lagi.
Do you think things will get better soon? Do you think things will get better soon?
Apakah kamu pikir keadaan akan membaik segera?
I hope so, but it is hard to keep going. I hope so, but it is hard to keep going.
Saya harap begitu, tapi sulit untuk terus lanjut.
Maybe you need a short break right now. Maybe you need a short break right now.
Mungkin kamu butuh istirahat sebentar sekarang.
Yes, a break might help me feel stronger. Yes, a break might help me feel stronger.
Ya, istirahat mungkin membantu saya merasa lebih kuat.
Just don't surrender and keep believing. Just don't surrender and keep believing.
Jangan menyerah dan tetap percaya saja.
I will try my best to not give up again. I will try my best to not give up again.
Saya akan berusaha keras untuk tidak menyerah lagi.
I know you can do it if you stay strong. I know you can do it if you stay strong.
Saya tahu kamu bisa melakukannya jika tetap kuat.
I am going through a big transition now. I am going through a big transition now.
Saya sedang melewati transisi besar sekarang.
What kind of transition are you in? What kind of transition are you in?
Transisi apa yang sedang kamu alami?
I just moved to a new city for my job. I just moved to a new city for my job.
Saya baru pindah ke kota baru untuk pekerjaan saya.
Do you feel excited about this change? Do you feel excited about this change?
Apakah kamu merasa senang tentang perubahan ini?
Yes, but I also feel a little bit scared. Yes, but I also feel a little bit scared.
Ya, tapi saya juga merasa sedikit takut.
It is normal to feel that way at first. It is normal to feel that way at first.
Normal saja jika merasa seperti itu pada awalnya.
I hope I can adapt to this new place fast. I hope I can adapt to this new place fast.
Saya harap saya bisa beradaptasi dengan tempat baru ini dengan cepat.
Just give yourself some time to adjust. Just give yourself some time to adjust.
Beri dirimu waktu untuk menyesuaikan diri.
Thank you. Your advice makes me feel better. Thank you. Your advice makes me feel better.
Terima kasih, saranmu membuat saya merasa lebih baik.
You are welcome. I know you will be fine. You are welcome. I know you will be fine.
Sama-sama, saya tahu kamu akan baik-baik saja.
Do you know a good place to study quietly? Do you know a good place to study quietly?
Apakah kamu tahu tempat yang bagus untuk belajar dengan tenang?
Yes, the library is a perfect place for that. Yes, the library is a perfect place for that.
Ya, perpustakaan adalah tempat yang sempurna untuk itu.
Is there a place where we can get some snacks? Is there a place where we can get some snacks?
Apakah ada tempat di mana kita bisa mendapatkan camilan?
There is a small cafe near the corner here. There is a small cafe near the corner here.
Ada kafe kecil di dekat sudut sini.
What about a place to relax after studying? What about a place to relax after studying?
Bagaimana dengan tempat untuk bersantai setelah belajar?
The park nearby is a nice place to unwind. The park nearby is a nice place to unwind.
Taman di dekat sini adalah tempat yang bagus untuk bersantai.
Can you suggest a place for group discussions? Can you suggest a place for group discussions?
Bisakah kamu menyarankan tempat untuk diskusi kelompok?
The meeting room is a great place for that. The meeting room is a great place for that.
Ruang pertemuan adalah tempat yang bagus untuk itu.
Do you think this place is good for our project? Do you think this place is good for our project?
Apakah kamu pikir tempat ini bagus untuk proyek kita?
I think it is a suitable place for teamwork. I think it is a suitable place for teamwork.
Saya pikir ini tempat yang cocok untuk kerja tim.
What is the main function of this tool? What is the main function of this tool?
Apa fungsi utama dari alat ini?
Its main function is to measure temperature. Its main function is to measure temperature.
Fungsi utamanya adalah untuk mengukur suhu.
That's helpful. How do you use it? That's helpful. How do you use it?
Itu sangat membantu. Bagaimana cara menggunakannya?
You just turn it on and set the temperature. You just turn it on and set the temperature.
Kamu tinggal menyalakannya dan atur suhu yang diinginkan.
Does it have any other functions? Does it have any other functions?
Apakah alat ini memiliki fungsi lain?
Yes, it can also record temperature data. Yes, it can also record temperature data.
Ya, alat ini juga bisa merekam data suhu.
How often do you use this function? How often do you use this function?
Seberapa sering kamu menggunakan fungsi ini?
I use it every time I need to check the temperature. I use it every time I need to check the temperature.
Saya menggunakannya setiap kali saya perlu memeriksa suhu.
It sounds like a very useful function. It sounds like a very useful function.
Sepertinya itu adalah fungsi yang sangat berguna.
It really is. It makes my job much easier. It really is. It makes my job much easier.
Memang sangat berguna. Itu membuat pekerjaan saya lebih mudah.
Go ahead and share your idea with us. Go ahead and share your idea with us.
Silakan lanjutkan dan bagikan ide kamu dengan kami.
Are you sure you want to hear it now? Are you sure you want to hear it now?
Apakah kamu yakin ingin mendengarnya sekarang?
Yes, we're all ready to listen carefully. Yes, we're all ready to listen carefully.
Ya, kita semua siap untuk mendengarkan dengan cermat.
Well, I think we should try something new. Well, I think we should try something new.
Ya, saya pikir kita harus mencoba sesuatu yang baru.
Go ahead and explain what you mean by that. Go ahead and explain what you mean by that.
Silakan lanjutkan dan jelaskan apa maksudmu dengan itu.
It's about changing our usual approach. It's about changing our usual approach.
Ini tentang mengubah pendekatan yang biasa kita lakukan.
That sounds interesting. Please tell more. That sounds interesting. Please tell more.
Itu terdengar menarik, tolong ceritakan lebih banyak.
I believe it can help us improve quickly. I believe it can help us improve quickly.
Saya percaya itu bisa membantu kita berkembang dengan cepat.
Go ahead, and let's discuss it together now. Go ahead, and let's discuss it together now.
Silakan mari kita diskusikan bersama sekarang.
Great. I'm excited to hear everyone's thoughts. Great. I'm excited to hear everyone's thoughts.
Bagus, saya tidak sabar mendengar pendapat semua orang.
I hope there is a continuation of this story. I hope there is a continuation of this story.
Saya harap ada kelanjutan dari cerita ini.
Do you like the story so far right now? Do you like the story so far right now?
Apakah sejauh ini kamu menyukai ceritanya?
Yes, I really enjoy reading every chapter of it. Yes, I really enjoy reading every chapter of it.
Ya, saya sangat menikmati membaca setiap babnya.
Do you think the author will write more soon? Do you think the author will write more soon?
Apakah menurutmu penulisnya akan segera menulis lebih banyak lagi?
I am not sure, but I hope they continue it. I am not sure, but I hope they continue it.
Saya tidak yakin, tapi saya harap mereka melanjutkannya.
Maybe we can check their website for news. Maybe we can check their website for news.
Mungkin kita bisa memeriksa situs web mereka untuk berita.
That is a good idea. I will look at it today. That is a good idea. I will look at it today.
Itu ide yang bagus, saya akan melihatnya hari ini.
I am sure other fans want a continuation too. I am sure other fans want a continuation too.
Saya yakin penggemar lain juga menginginkan kelanjutannya.
Yes, everyone is waiting for the next chapter. Yes, everyone is waiting for the next chapter.
Ya, semua orang menunggu bab berikutnya.
I hope the wait will not be too long for us. I hope the wait will not be too long for us.
Saya harap penantian ini tidak akan terlalu lama untuk kita.
I need to modify my schedule this week. I need to modify my schedule this week.
Saya perlu memodifikasi jadwal saya minggu ini.
Why do you want to change your schedule? Why do you want to change your schedule?
Kenapa kamu ingin mengubah jadwalmu?
I have a new project, so I must adjust my time. I have a new project, so I must adjust my time.
Saya punya proyek baru, jadi saya harus menyesuaikan waktu saya.
Do you think it will be hard to modify it? Do you think it will be hard to modify it?
Apakah menurutmu sulit untuk memodifikasinya?
Not really, but I need to plan it carefully. Not really, but I need to plan it carefully.
Tidak juga, tapi saya perlu merencanakannya dengan hati-hati.
That is smart. I am sure you can handle it. That is smart. I am sure you can handle it.
Itu pintar, saya yakin kamu bisa menanganinya.
Yes, I hope this modification works for me. Yes, I hope this modification works for me.
Ya, saya harap modifikasi ini cocok untuk saya.
Just take your time and do it step by step. Just take your time and do it step by step.
Coba luangkan waktu dan lakukan langkah demi langkah.
Thank you. Your advice is very helpful for me. Thank you. Your advice is very helpful for me.
Terima kasih, sarannya sangat membantu saya.
You are welcome. I know you will do just fine. You are welcome. I know you will do just fine.
Sama-sama, saya tahu kamu akan baik-baik saja.
I had a small misfortune happen to me today. I had a small misfortune happen to me today.
Hari ini saya mengalami kemalangan kecil.
What happened to you? Can you tell me? What happened to you? Can you tell me?
Apa yang terjadi padamu, bisakah kamu ceritakan?
I missed my bus and was late for work today. I missed my bus and was late for work today.
Saya ketinggalan bus dan terlambat kerja hari ini.
That is bad, but it can happen to anyone. That is bad, but it can happen to anyone.
Itu buruk tapi itu bisa terjadi pada siapa saja.
Yes, I know, but it still made me feel upset. Yes, I know, but it still made me feel upset.
Ya, saya tahu tapi itu tetap membuat saya kesal.
Do not worry too much about this misfortune. Do not worry too much about this misfortune.
Jangan khawatir terlalu banyak tentang kesialan ini.
You are right, I should just move on from it. You are right, I should just move on from it.
Kamu benar, saya harus melupakannya saja.
I am sure tomorrow will be a better day for you. I am sure tomorrow will be a better day for you.
Saya yakin besok akan menjadi hari yang lebih baik untukmu.
Thank you, your words make me feel much better. Thank you, your words make me feel much better.
Terima kasih, kata-katamu membuatku merasa jauh lebih baik.
You are welcome. I am here if you need to talk. You are welcome. I am here if you need to talk.
Sama-sama, saya di sini jika kamu butuh bicara.
Do you think we get a chance? Do you think we get a chance?
Apakah menurutmu kita mendapat kesempatan?
Yes, but we must be ready for it. Yes, but we must be ready for it.
Ya, tapi kita harus siap untuk itu.
What if we miss our chance? What if we miss our chance?
Bagaimana jika kita melewatkan kesempatan?
We might regret it later in life. We might regret it later in life.
Kita mungkin akan menyesal nanti.
Can we create our own chances? Can we create our own chances?
Apakah kita bisa menciptakan kesempatan sendiri?
Of course, with hard work and focus. Of course, with hard work and focus.
Tentu saja dengan kerja keras dan fokus.
How do we find good chances? How do we find good chances?
Bagaimana cara kita menemukan kesempatan baik?
Look around and take small steps first. Look around and take small steps first.
Lihat sekeliling dan mulai dengan langkah kecil.
Are you waiting for your chance? Are you waiting for your chance?
Apakah kamu sedang menunggu kesempatanmu?
I am working hard for my big chance. I am working hard for my big chance.
Saya sedang bekerja keras untuk kesempatan besar.
I bought a new set of kitchen knives today. I bought a new set of kitchen knives today.
Saya membeli satu set pisau dapur baru hari ini.
Why did you decide to buy a new set now? Why did you decide to buy a new set now?
Kenapa kamu memutuskan untuk membeli pisau set baru sekarang?
My old knives were not sharp enough anymore. My old knives were not sharp enough anymore.
Pisau lamaku sudah tidak tajam lagi.
Do you think this set will make cooking easier? Do you think this set will make cooking easier?
Apakah menurutmu pisau set ini akan membuat memasak lebih mudah?
Yes, I believe it will help me cook much faster. Yes, I believe it will help me cook much faster.
Ya, saya percaya ini akan membantu saya masak lebih cepat.
That is great. I hope you enjoy using the set. That is great. I hope you enjoy using the set.
Itu bagus. Saya harap kamu menikmati menggunakan pisau set itu.
I am sure. It feels very nice to use them. I am sure. It feels very nice to use them.
Saya yakin saya akan merasa sangat nyaman menggunakannya.
Just take good care of your new set. Just take good care of your new set.
Jagalah dengan baik pisau set barumu.
Thank you. Your advice is very useful for me. Thank you. Your advice is very useful for me.
Terima kasih, sarannya sangat berguna untuk saya.
You are welcome. I am happy to help you out. You are welcome. I am happy to help you out.
Sama-sama, saya senang bisa membantu.
I need to repair my phone screen this week. I need to repair my phone screen this week.
Saya perlu memperbaiki layar ponsel saya minggu ini.
What happened to your phone screen now? What happened to your phone screen now?
Apa yang terjadi pada layar ponselmu sekarang?
I dropped it and the screen got cracked badly. I dropped it and the screen got cracked badly.
Saya menjatuhkannya dan layarnya retak parah.
Do you think the repair will cost a lot of money? Do you think the repair will cost a lot of money?
Apakah menurutmu perbaikan itu akan memakan banyak biaya?
Yes, I am afraid it will be very expensive for me. Yes, I am afraid it will be very expensive for me.
Ya, saya khawatir itu akan sangat mahal bagi saya.
That is bad, but maybe you can find a cheap place. That is bad, but maybe you can find a cheap place.
Itu buruk, tapi mungkin kamu bisa menemukan tempat yang murah.
I hope so. I will ask around for the best price. I hope so. I will ask around for the best price.
Saya harap begitu, saya akan bertanya-tanya untuk mendapatkan harga terbaik.
Just be careful and choose a good repair shop. Just be careful and choose a good repair shop.
Berhati-hatilah dan pilihlah toko perbaikan yang bagus.
Thank you. Your advice is really helpful for me. Thank you. Your advice is really helpful for me.
Terima kasih, sarannya sangat membantu saya.
You are welcome. I am happy to help you out. You are welcome. I am happy to help you out.
Sama-sama, saya senang bisa membantu.
I am waiting for a confirmation about the meeting. I am waiting for a confirmation about the meeting.
Saya sedang menunggu konfirmasi tentang pertemuan.
Why is the confirmation taking so long now? Why is the confirmation taking so long now?
Kenapa konfirmasinya memakan waktu lama sekarang?
The organizer said they will send it by tonight. The organizer said they will send it by tonight.
Panitia mengatakan mereka akan mengirimkannya malam ini.
Do you think the confirmation will come on time? Do you think the confirmation will come on time?
Apakah menurutmu konfirmasinya akan datang tepat waktu?
Yes, I believe they will keep their promise to us. Yes, I believe they will keep their promise to us.
Ya, saya percaya mereka akan menepati janji mereka pada kita.
That is good. I hope everything goes as planned. That is good. I hope everything goes as planned.
Itu bagus. Saya harap semuanya berjalan sesuai rencana.
I hope so. I really need this meeting confirmation. I hope so. I really need this meeting confirmation.
Saya harap begitu. Saya benar-benar butuh konfirmasi pertemuan ini.
Just be patient and wait a little longer, okay? Just be patient and wait a little longer, okay?
Bersabarlah dan tunggu sedikit lebih lama ya.
Thank you. Your advice helps me stay calm now. Thank you. Your advice helps me stay calm now.
Terima kasih, sarannya membantu saya tetap tenang sekarang.
You are welcome. I am happy to help you out. You are welcome. I am happy to help you out.
Sama-sama, saya senang bisa membantu.
This restaurant is a famous establishment. This restaurant is a famous establishment.
Restoran ini adalah tempat terkenal.
Have you eaten here before with anyone? Have you eaten here before with anyone?
Apakah kamu pernah makan di sini sebelumnya dengan seseorang?
No, but I heard great things about it. No, but I heard great things about it.
Tidak, tapi saya mendengar hal-hal bagus tentangnya.
Their pasta is supposed to be amazing. Their pasta is supposed to be amazing.
Pasta mereka seharusnya luar biasa.
That sounds delicious. I love Italian food. That sounds delicious. I love Italian food.
Itu terdengar lezat, saya suka makanan Italia.
Let's order something special from the menu. Let's order something special from the menu.
Ayo pesan sesuatu yang spesial dari menu.
I agree. Maybe we should try pizza. I agree. Maybe we should try pizza.
Saya setuju, mungkin kita harus mencoba pizza.
Good idea. I'll ask for recommendations. Good idea. I'll ask for recommendations.
Ide bagus, saya akan meminta rekomendasi.
I hope the service here is excellent. I hope the service here is excellent.
Saya berharap pelayanan di sini sangat baik.
I heard they treat customers really well. I heard they treat customers really well.
Saya dengar mereka memperlakukan pelanggan dengan sangat baik.
I saw a rare specimen at the museum yesterday. I saw a rare specimen at the museum yesterday.
Aku melihat spesimen langka di museum kemarin.
What kind of specimen was it exactly? What kind of specimen was it exactly?
Spesimen apakah itu sebenarnya?
It was a butterfly with very unique colors on its wings. It was a butterfly with very unique colors on its wings.
Itu adalah kupu-kupu dengan warna sangat unik di sayapnya.
Do you think the specimen was very old or new? Do you think the specimen was very old or new?
Menurutmu, apakah spesimen itu sangat tua atau baru?
Yes, I believe it was collected many years ago. Yes, I believe it was collected many years ago.
Ya, aku yakin itu dikumpulkan bertahun-tahun yang lalu.
That is interesting. I am sure it was valuable too. That is interesting. I am sure it was valuable too.
Itu menarik, aku yakin itu juga berharga.
I hope so. The specimen was kept in a special box. I hope so. The specimen was kept in a special box.
Aku harap begitu, spesimennya disimpan di kotak khusus.
Just be careful when you look at fragile things like that. Just be careful when you look at fragile things like that.
Hati-hati saja saat kamu melihat benda rapuh seperti itu.
Thank you. Your words make me more aware now. Thank you. Your words make me more aware now.
Terima kasih, kata-katamu membuatku lebih sadar sekarang.
You are welcome. I am happy to share my thoughts. You are welcome. I am happy to share my thoughts.
Sama-sama, aku senang berbagi pemikiran.
The ratification of this law took months. The ratification of this law took months.
Pengesahan undang-undang ini memakan waktu berbulan-bulan.
Was there a lot of debate about it? Was there a lot of debate about it?
Apakah ada banyak perdebatan tentang itu?
Yes, politicians had many disagreements on details. Yes, politicians had many disagreements on details.
Ya, para politisi banyak tidak setuju tentang rinciannya.
But now, is everything finally settled? But now, is everything finally settled?
Tapi sekarang, apakah semuanya akhirnya disepakati?
It seems so. The president just signed it. It seems so. The president just signed it.
Sepertinya begitu, Presiden baru saja menandatanganinya.
That means the law is officially active. That means the law is officially active.
Itu berarti undang-undang itu resmi berlaku.
Exactly. People are reacting in different ways. Exactly. People are reacting in different ways.
Tepat, orang-orang bereaksi dengan cara berbeda.
That's normal. Change always brings mixed opinions. That's normal. Change always brings mixed opinions.
Itu normal, perubahan selalu membawa pendapat beragam.
I agree. Let's see its impact soon. I agree. Let's see its impact soon.
Saya setuju, mari kita lihat dampaknya segera.
Hopefully, it will benefit the majority well. Hopefully, it will benefit the majority well.
Semoga bermanfaat bagi banyak orang.